So wait, Tate Skipuli, let's talk about the Pluperfect Active. All right, so we've already talked about the perfect, so I mean that's really the big deal. That's the big thing about the perfect system. So really, Pluperfect Active, it's just a new set of endings. You're still using the third principal part, just like you did for the perfect, and you're dropping off the I, and then you're adding your endings. And look, here are your endings. They're aram, aras, arat, aramus, aratus, arant. You've seen these forms before. These are the imperfect forms of sum. So if you look back at your Clowies from the other day when we talked about the perfect, you'll notice that those two line charts that I showed you do line up. And part of the reason that they line up is because they're going to work together. So you'll notice that the pluperfect is underneath the imperfect, and that's why you're using those imperfect endings. So we'll talk more about that though in class. So these translate as I had verbed, you had verbed, he, she, it had verbed, we had verbed, y'all had verbed, they had verbed. Okay, so aram, aras, arat, aramus, aratus, arant, you know these endings. You're just attaching them to that third principal part. So they look like this. So you have first conjugation in amo, you have second in habere, third in mittere, third io in capere, and then fourth in audire. So notice it's just that third principal part. Drop off the I, attach your ending. And that's all there is to it. All right. Hope give the homework a try, and we'll talk about this more tomorrow. All right. Wale Tate Skipuli.